So we're going to go ahead and swap over the faceplate for the new gauge here. You'll have to purchase this separately if you want to use this as a fuel pressure gauge. This is an oil pressure gauge. It just comes with the faceplate for oil pressure. So we're going to take this off of here. So there's little brass thumb screws here. Take this off. Take that black clip off there. Alright, so leave this unscrews. Got our instructions here, so alright. Gauge disassembly. Remove the 3 assembly screws with a #1 Phillips head screwdriver. Separate the bezel. So there's 3 screws on the back. See the 3 screws? We're going to take those out. Alright. Little handy dandy 10-fold. Alright. So we'll take these out. Alright, take those out like that. That's what it'll look like. I'm going to keep the black housing on it. I just need to get this off here. Take these screws out. Pop these screws out the back side like this. Take our new thing out here. New gauge. Take that off. Take this little cover off here. Okay. So that's got the oil pressure one on there, and it's just like got some sticky stuff on there. I guess they keep it held in place or something. But it looks like we got a film or something on here. I don't know if I should be taking this off or not, because these look different. Looks like there's a film on it. Maybe it's just to protect it. Let's see. Oh, okay, here we go. So this side. Okay, so this side reads in PSI, and then this side reads in bar. I'm gonna just use the PSI side. We'll get this little protectant thing off. Well, you can see this side's coming off over here. It's like that, see? There's a plastic film on it. Here we go. Just take it right off. Alright, cool. Alright, there it is. So, we're going to put this on there. Just right there. There we go. Okay. Put this little cover back on. Like that. So we drop the screw. Make sure nothing's underneath there. Alright then. So put the screws back in. See, we got our fuel pressure now. Fuel pressure gauge. So we'll put this back on. Line up the holes. Tight. Okay, should be good to go. Now we got our fuel pressure gauge set up. When you do get the faceplate, make sure you take that little plastic cover off of it, because it'll look dull. So put that back in there. This back on. We'll get this put in the truck. I've got a glow shift A-pillar housing coming for my S10. Should be here, I don't know, maybe the end of the week, maybe the beginning of next week, so I can mount my gauges. But yeah, I'll just put this on the dash for now, just like my wideband, and we'll go from there.